All clear. Which way?
Oh, you say something?
I said I want to claw my eyes out. But unfortunately, it wouldn't do any good, because I already saw the awfulness. Will you focus?
I'm focused.
This pretty place is about to get uglified real quick by a bunch of freaking elves.
Did you know that I saw all these people die? So this is a little bit difficult for me, okay? So why don't you reach down deep inside and try and find a small ounce of humanity?
Just give me the thingy.
Just give me the thing. Just give me the thing. I didn't even want to come here. Living all these repressed memories.
My God, get it together.
Get it together.
You're embarrassing. All right, which way? You don't know? You used to frickin' live here.
For 1,500 years, not forever. That way, I think. Yeah, maybe.
We are dead. We are so, so dead.